Today I'm doing something with a watercolor canvas. I've watched some videos on this, on alcohol ink art, and people use tile and all types of non-porous surfaces. I've never seen anybody use a watercolor canvas, but it seemed logical to me that if it was okay for watercolors, it might work with this, so I'm going to try that today. I've done some other stuff on UPO and other surfaces, but I really like painting on canvas, so I hope this works. And I'm going to try some different methods to move the ink around. One of which is probably mostly the blow dryer. This is alcohol in a little squeeze bottle. This is 91% alcohol. I'm going to use that to dilute these. These are Tim Holtz by Ranger alcohol inks today. And I'm mostly going to use purple, red, kind of a turquoise color called, this one is called, can't remember, Mermaid, Amethyst, Purple Twilight, and Poppy Field. I don't have magenta, but I really like that color combination, purples, blues, magenta, but this should be kind of interesting. Now see, that's interesting. It is kind of soaking in, which is not really what I wanted. And I actually didn't expect that, because if water doesn't sink in, then I don't know why this would. My bottle is leaking. Let's see what happens. I have the blow dryer on cool. This has a cool setting, and it also has a cold shot, and normally it's fine just to use the cool setting. I have a window open here today. This alcohol and alcohol ink is pretty potent, so it's good to make sure that you have a lot of ventilation, or wear a respirator. I always wear gloves when I paint, no matter what kind of paint it is. Really, really messy, no matter what I'm using. That's pretty interesting, but there. Now, one of the things that's so cool about alcohol ink is it has a tendency to be real soft if you dilute it a bit. Now, because this surface is more absorbent, it is moving differently than when I use Yupo paper, and usually when you drop a lighter color into a darker one, all the alcohol inks tend to push whatever's there away. So you usually can drop light over dark, which is really cool. But that effect isn't as strong here. And I think that's just because the surface is a little bit absorbent. I suspect I can make this work with these canvases, but it's not going exactly as I want. However, one of the good things about alcohol ink is you can keep going. And I can loosen it up. If something is drying and I don't want it to, I can loosen it up a little bit with the alcohol. I've done these flower effects before on other surfaces, and I was curious if it would work on this, and it does, so that's kind of interesting. This is sunshine yellow. Oops. And there it is. That's exactly what I was trying to see, is if I can put light on dark like I can on Yupo or tile. And yes, I can. That's one of my favorite things actually about alcohol ink. With some other paints, it's more difficult to do that. Well, watercolors in particular. It's more difficult to have a light color show up on top of dark. But that's one of the things I really like about alcohol ink. I think I'll try to blow a purple flower up here. More alcohol. Loosen all that up. And I'll put some yellow on that and see what... Oops, I spilled it. The dryer is a little too strong. It would probably be better to use a straw. Yeah, I think that might have a little more control. Well, this is fun, that's for sure. I like the way it moves on this canvas because it doesn't move as well as the other things, but I don't know, this is interesting. I think I'm gonna like